So we've now got a task of classifying the AP trends table. So it's accounts payable transactions. So here's AP trends and accounts payable. Open that up. So obviously classifying it. Well, this is analysis. I'm going to click on the vendor number, analyze, classify. So I've got all of that there classified on vendor number, and that's kind of helpful, kind of good. However, what it hasn't done is given me a subtotal of invoice amount, so which is accumulating by invoice amount. So here's my vendor number. Subtotal fields are over here, and if I see I've got the one, I can probably hold the shift key down and get 1, 2, 3. I just want invoice amount. So checking out the output's going to the screen, no filtering going on. Click OK. So now what it's done, it's added the invoice amount column, so I can tell you that vendor number 10025 has 5 invoices, and it's 21% invoice amount. So they're probably giving us the most, looking down that list, of invoices. So 10025 is probably our biggest vendor number. So I'll answer question B while I'm here. How would an auditor use this data in an audit? So this gives you a breakdown of our purchases, so accounts payable transactions, percentage of purchases, dollar amount purchases placed with each vendor. And we can focus on the most material transactions, which means, for example, that invoice amount, I can see immediately that 10025 has nearly $60,000 worth of our items. That's 21% of the total. So I'm probably going to take a look at some of their transactions, particularly since they seem to be relatively large. And I can play with this, add some statistics, minimum amount, average, all that kind of information. So I can just modify that a little if I want to see what I want to come up with. And that's all good.